Have you ever wondered why your clothes shrink in the wash? Why some fabrics feel soft and luxurious, while others are rough and scratchy? Welcome to Season 4 of Fabrish. Last season, we explored fabrics around the world, cultural and regional textiles. If you missed it, don't worry. You can find the link in the description below. This season, we are diving into something even more fascinating, the science behind fabrics, how they are made. From ancient hand-spinning techniques to cutting-edge textile innovations, we are breaking down the chemistry, craftsmanship, and technology that shape what we wear every day. So, before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fabrish. Turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. This season, we have 7 mind-blowing episodes that will change the way you see fabrics forever. Episode 1, the hand-spinning process of muslin, khassa and luxury wool. We are traveling back in time to uncover how some of the finest fabrics in history were spun by hand, delicate muslin, ultra-fine khassa, and luxurious wool that was once reserved for royalty. Episode 2, natural versus synthetic fabrics, what's the difference? Cotton versus polyester, silk versus rayon, but which one is actually better? We'll break down the science behind natural and synthetic fabrics, their pros and cons, and which ones are better for you and the environment. Episode 3, weaving, knitting and non-woven techniques explained. Ever wondered why your t-shirts stretch, but your jeans don't? The secret lies in how the fabric is made, weaving, knitting, or non-woven technology. We'll explain how these techniques impact durability, flexibility, and comfort. Episode 4, the chemistry behind dyeing and printing fabrics. Ever had a shirt that bled color in the wash? Or a fabric that faded too quickly? We are diving into the science of dyes and printing, and why some fabrics stay vibrant longer than others. Episode 5, how are waterproof, wrinkle-free and stretch fabrics made? What makes a raincoat repel water? Why do some shirts never wrinkle? And how do leggings snap back into shape? The answer? Fabric treatments and innovative textile technology. Episode 6, why do some fabrics shrink or fade? The science behind it. You buy a brand new sweater, wash it once, and suddenly, it's 2 sizes smaller. We'll uncover the real reason behind shrinkage and fading, and how to prevent your clothes from being ruined. Episode 7, future of fabric science, can we grow clothes in labs? Could we one day grow clothes like plants? Or create self-cleaning fabrics? In our final episode, we'll explore the future of textiles, from bioengineered fabrics to self-repairing materials. Fabrics are more than just fashion, they impact our daily lives, our comfort, and even the environment. Did you know that the fashion industry is one of the biggest polluters in the world? Fast fashion produces tons of textile waste, and synthetic fabrics contribute to microplastic pollution in our oceans. That's why understanding the science behind fabrics isn't just interesting, it's important. The more we know, the better choices we can make about what we wear. If you are as excited as we are about this season, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new episodes every week. Comment below, what's one fabric mystery you've always wanted to solve? Like and share this video if you are ready to dive into the world of fabrics with us. Could the future of fashion be something we grow instead of sew? Stick around, we are about to find out. And in the next episode, we are uncovering an ancient craft that's almost lost to time, the traditional art of spinning muslin, khassa, and luxury wool. Don't miss it.